Make a great choice today with 2012 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, backup camera, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, power steering, aluminum wheels, hard disk drive media storage, floor mats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.